Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from Bizarchive. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. In the Bizarchive.com website, scroll to the bottom and click the Do Not Sell My Personal Information link. A Remove Your Record form will appear. Enter your email, check the agreement box, complete the CAPTCHA, then click Begin Removal Process. Search for your information by entering your first and last name or business name. Select your state from the drop-down and click the magnifying glass to search. The search results will appear. Find your record and click on your name or business name. A new page with detailed info will load. Click the red Remove Business button. A message will appear confirming that a verification email has been sent to the address you provided in Step 2. Check your inbox for an email from Bizarchive.com. Confirm your email and opt-out request by clicking Submit Removal. You'll see a confirmation once you've opted out and your info will be off their site. Congratulations on opting out of Bizarchive. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.